Hello all. Today we start with the circular linked list. It means part or we can say a second type of linked list. Now we move forward about what is circular linked list. Circular linked list is a sequence of element in which every element has link to its next element in the sequence and the last element has a link to the first element in the sequence. As we have seen before, single linked list, in single linked list last node's next part is always null. But here in circular linked list last node's next part is always address of head, or we can say address of first node. Here we have one example of circular linked list. Here is the 10, which is the first element in the list. Address of 10 is stored in the head 1001. Here we have the next element 15. Address of 15 is stored here 1004. Here we have next element is 22. Address of 22 is stored here 1008. And the last element of list is 50. Address of 50 is 1012, which is stored here. Now in circular linked list last element's next part is always the address of first element. So here we have the address of first element, which is 1001. So we are putting here in the last node's next part 1001. So that is the difference between single linked list and circular linked list. Now we move forward about the operations performed on the linked list. In circular linked list we perform the following operations. It means two operations, insertion and deletions, are performed in circular linked list with insert operations. As we have seen before, linked list is a dynamic memory structure using the dynamic memory allocation. So we can add element at specific location, at beginning of the list and at end of the list. We start with inserting a beginning of the circular linked list. First step is create a new node with given value. As we create a node, then we have two parts. First is data element and second one is the link part. Second step, check whether list is empty. It means by using the condition head is equal null, we can check list is empty or not. If it is empty, then set head is equal to new node and new node next is head. Here we can see the head is equal to new node and new node next part is head, because it is a circular linked list. So we are putting here address of first node, or we can say head. If it is not empty, then define a node pointer temporary and initialize with head. Keep moving the temporary to its next node until it reaches to the last node, until temporary's next is equal to head. How we can identify the last node? Here we need to check which one is the last node, because in circular list we need to update last node address part with the head. So we have to initialize the temporary pointer and keep moving the temporary to its next node until it reaches to the last node. So we can set the last node next part to the head. Set new node next is equal to head. That means we are setting this part new node next part with address of head. Head is equal to new node. We are updating the address of head with this new node, means element with the element 10's address in head. And at the end temporary's next part, it means this one is the temporary and next part of this is also set as a head. So this is how the insertion operation is done in beginning of the circular linked list. We move forward about inserting at end of the list. So first step is common as inserting at the beginning of the list. Create a new node with given value. Check whether list is empty. By using the head is equal to null, we are checking list is empty or not. If it is empty, then set head is equal to new node and new node next is equal to head. As we have seen previously, in inserting at the beginning, Same as we are doing the steps for inserting at the end of the list. Now we move forward about checking the conditions for if it is not empty, then how we can set the node. So next step is, if it is not empty, then define node pointer temporary and initialize with head, as we have seen before in beginning of the list. Keep moving the temporary to its next node until it reaches to the last node in the list. By using the temporary's next is equal to head, we are checking the conditions for the last node. At the end we set temporary's next is equal to new node. Here we have the 50 is a new node. So temporary's next is set by the new node, and new node's next, it means the part of address, new node's address part with the values of the head. So this is how the inserting at end of the circular linked list is done. Now we move forward for the inserting at specific location in the list. It means after specific locations we need to add one new element in circular list. So first step is common. Create a new node with given value. Second is also common. Check whether list is empty or not by using the head is equal to null conditions. If it is empty, then set head is equal to new node and new node next is equal to head. If it is not empty, then define a node pointer temporary and initialize with head. Keep moving the temporary to its next node until it reaches to the node after which we want to insert a new node. Means move the temporary one to which node where we want to add the new node. Means here 20 is the node. Temporary, we can move the temporary towards the 20 and then check the locations, specific location found in the list or not. So every time check whether temporary is reached to the last node or not. If it is reached to the last node, then display given node is not found in the list, insertion is not possible, and terminate the functions. Otherwise, move temporary to its next. If temporary is reached to the exact node after which we want to insert the new node, then check whether it is last node by using the condition temporary next is equal to head. If temporary is last node, then set temporary next is equal to new node and new node next is equal to head, as we have set in inserting at the end of the list. Then if temporary is not last node, then set new node next is equal to temporary next and temporary next is equal to. So this is how the insertion is done in the circular linked list at specific positions. So this is the insertion operation in circular linked list. Thank you all of you. If you have any query, then comment please.